Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So welcome back to my channel guys, and today's vlog, it's another unboxing and review of a Paris Hilton scents or perfume, since I'm a lover of Paris Hilton as well. And this is my I think this is my third time around of having a Paris Hilton unboxing and review with Paris Hilton scents and perfumes and fragrance, whatever you say it. And yeah, what I've here, it's a different kind of scents from Paris Hilton. And yeah, let's find out. And what's this? Check it out and stay tuned and bear with me, and be frosty or stay frosty, ladies and gentlemen, because we're gonna embark to a different journey, a different vlog today, because it's a scents, perfume, fragrance review and unboxing. So I have here a Paris Hilton, so you can see it's a Paris Hilton Luxe Rush. So this is my third time having a Paris Hilton scent, and oh my god, the reason why I have collecting perfume from Paris Hilton, because their scents smell so good, and I got lots of compliments out from this scent. So you better check it out, and you know, because this perfume is one of a kind perfume. So yeah, let's open this together and how it looks like. And let me see, maybe it's this one. There you go. And let's open this together. Oh my god, open my hair. So let's open this together. I just love my hair today. And yeah, it's a blue. I love blue. And let's open, and yeah, their packaging as well, I super love it. The same as usual. As you can see, it's a Luxe Rush. That's the scents. Luxe Rush. Luxe Rush. There we go. You can see. You can see. Oh my god. There. Oh my goodness. The reason I love Paris Hilton is because of, all in all, it's the packaging, the scents, and super love it. Perfect for our friends, for a gift, you know. And their packaging is very class, and it's, see, as you can see, very durable packaging. That's one thing about Paris Hilton. And it's their logo there, as you can see right there, Paris Hilton and Luxe Rush. There's Paris Hilton there, and the QR code, you know. I'll put the link on my description. Oh my goodness, what happened? What's happening here? Killing my time. There you go. So yeah, this is Paris Hilton Luxe Rush. There you go. And let's move on to the next. We will find out how this smells like. Okay. And so this, once again, this is a perfume, a scents, a fragrance from Paris Hilton. There you go. And it says here, if you can see it, yeah, there, as you can see. And oh my goodness, so this one is like 24.59, I think. So this is like 7.23 or F FLOOs, no? So, or 100 ml. This is 100 ml rather. So this is 100 ml perfume, and that's a lot. So you can use it. What happened to my hair? Oh my god. And let's find out. So this is 100 milliliters, and the scent, it's Flora Sandalwood. And its special features, it's long lasting. This is a long lasting perfume. Why I choose Paris Hilton? Because it's long lasting, and it's perfect gift to our friends. So yeah, and the launch for this design is from the house of Paris Hilton. Luxe Rush by Paris Hilton is Oriental Floral fragrance for women. So this is perfect for women. Sorry guys, sorry to men out there. This is not you. This is not for you. This is for women. And Luxe Rush was launched in 2019. The nose behind this fragrance is Michelle DeFina. So that's a trivia right there. And so the features and the details about this, it was launched and designed once again by Paris Hilton in the year of 2019. So this amber of floral has blend of lily, bergamot, and peony, patchouli, and some milk mousse on also it has a sandalwood and tuberose, and also frangipani and it's a long-lasting fragrance, like I said before, and it's very recommended for daily use. And there you go. So what else? What happened to my hair? I love it. So it's really recommended for daily use. You can see, and it smells good. And let me try. Hello, my god, it smells so good. And it's skin friendly fragrance. So this is hypoallergenic perfume. Oh my god, I can't wait. The Platinum Rush. They have Platinum Rush. So yeah, this perfume, guys, it's perfect for gift for your friends, and you know, or any of your family, or you know, perfect for any gifts. So yeah, this is one of the best sellers, and from the beauty and personal care, and I'll put the link on my description, and it's Luxe or Rush or Sell. So I'm gonna put the link on my description, guys, and if you guys are interested, look at that, how amazing it is. So see the bottle, and this is one thing for sure, that we women love this perfume. It's not just the scent itself, it's because from the bottle, and all in all of this perfume, you know, from the packaging itself, it's, look at that, you know, and very durable packaging. Oh my god, I love the scent of this one. I will highly recommend this perfume too. It's not that strong, it's perfect. Hello, my goodness. Oh my goodness, super love it. So as you can see right there, see, you just as usual, you just open this one and then voila. So perfect. So to my friends out there, or to my fans, and grab this one and give to your wives or friends or your sisters, your mom or your aunt or your grandma. So this is perfect. This is perfect for us women. Oh my goodness. So I would highly recommend this perfume, and it smells so good. Right here, oh my god, I am amazed. I am fascinated now with this perfume, and I can't wait to have. I'm collecting perfumes, and I even spray just at home, any kind of perfume. So yeah, I think that's it, guy. I say it all, and thank you so much for watching. This has been Erica Lifestyle. This is a Paris Hilton Luxe Rush, and yeah, see you next time in my next vlog. And don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and don't hesitate to comment right there if you guys are interested. And to all out there who would love to collaborate with me, just send me an email. So once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now, and enjoy the rest of your days. Bye.